this is Sean Gallagher. This is my Android final project. What I tried to develop was a dinosaur dictionary, as you can see. The problem I was trying to solve was I read a lot from my son, and he loves dinosaurs, but it's awful hard to pronounce the names of all the dinosaurs. So I thought if I made a little dictionary with a little bit of information about each dinosaur and some fun facts, and just give it a nice user interface. So what I have here is a list of dinosaurs that I imported into a SQLite database on the phone, and then I pull in the list dynamically right here. These are the different images, so I got a scrolling list. The icons represent the different information about each one, so there's like the elements, or do they walk on land or do they fly? I don't have a water dinosaur yet. And then what their diet is, so these are herbivores, and then this guy's a carnivore. And then I got to come up with a fun icon for what like Jurassic era they're from, either Triassic or Jurassic. So, and then each item on this list is clickable. So you can go here and then bring up details about the dinosaur. Pull in the image again, and I'm querying the database for more information about this guy. So here's his full name, his pronunciation, the location he's from, and a little bit of a description. And then, so again, these were the three icons. I had a little trouble pulling those in to show an actual image, so I just pulled it in as text view this time. I'd love to be able to show an icon instead. And what I have here is this is theoretically for the pronunciation. So once I get that working, right now SoundPool doesn't seem to be working with that, and what I do have is it just making a sound on the page, a dinosaur roar when it loads. And then another kind of fun thing that I added, and you'll learn about this later in the other classes, since I took some of these already, is maps. This would link to the maps, and I'll show you what that looks like shortly. It doesn't work on the current phone. I don't know why, but it works on my other one. And then I just kind of made a spinner, excuse me, and then that just brings up the list of the dinosaurs. What I did was I was hoping to, I had it set up so it could click and then refresh to show you a different dinosaur, and you could jump to that one quickly. But for some reason it did a loop and just kept refreshing. So I got to figure out how to fix that too. This was originally a toolbar with a back button to the main screen. That actually was working, but then I had to disable it between activity and ActCompat. So I couldn't get my adapter working along with the toolbar. So still got to figure that part out. But one fun thing here is you can click on one of these icons. So I can go to land, query the database, and bring up the full list of all the dinosaurs that are from the land. And then again, I couldn't pull in the image from the database. Not sure why not. I can say r.id. It doesn't seem to set it, so I'm not sure what that's about. And then you could just bring up again more of the details about each dinosaur. So a toast, just to test and show what's being passed for my sake. And then on another device that I got working originally, as you can see, this is the older version, not as pretty when I didn't know enough, a little bit about the UI. But you can go here, click on the dinosaur here to see or hear the sounds. And here's the map view, which is kind of cool, I thought. So there's Seattle, and then theoretically these are markers for where dinosaurs would be located. I just made that data up, but it was kind of a fun thing to do. And then if you were somewhere else in the world, you could show your general location and the other dinosaurs that were buried around by you. That's it. Really had a great time in this course. looking to polish up my app and make it even better, and hopefully you can stay connected. Thanks again.